Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you had an awesome weekend. How would you like to be able to use HTML and use different various forms of that code to put pictures, buttons, or anything else you want on your DotcomPal landing pages and make it super, super simple? Today, I'm going to break down how to do that. It's going to be really easy, really fast, and you'll feel kind of techie after you've got it done. So let's jump right into it. My name is Kareem with Team.compal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage from one place. And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment below asking about today's subject or anything else to help grow your business, and hit that notification bell to know when we go live. Also, if you're on Facebook, like this video and give me a share to someone who needs to grow their business. So when it comes to HTML, we got a question from one of our viewers: how to use HTML with DotcomPal. Now, before we go, how to use HTML, just in case people are watching this and do not know HTML, I'm going to show you because this is a useful tool. You don't have to do this. DotcomPal requires no coding, but if you do know HTML, you can use it on pages. So it is an option. So let's take a look here real quick. What is HTML? Well, it's hypertext markup language. What does that mean? It uses tags to do different things like header tags, paragraph, hyperlink tags, bold tags, italic tags. It's kind of like coding, but you just put a bunch of lines and characters, and then you're able to develop web pages. This is how web pages were developed back in the day when you didn't have all the different elements for DotcomPal or WordPress or anything like that. And you can actually create a simple HTML post by yourself simply just by opening up a text editor. And there's stuff here. You're going to see this is super, super simple. And there's a lot of stuff online you can get an idea here from. Just take this, copy and paste it. And then you can come into DotcomPal, which I'll be showing you, and put it on a landing page. There's also other examples here on BitDegree. These are all educational sites for HTML. So if you just Google basic HTML examples, you can see what it does. But it ranges from allowing you to put pictures, to put buttons, to put checkouts. It's just that simple. It's just the hypertext markup language, different tags. And with these different tags, you just copy and paste the code that you want or that you've written and then put it in a landing page. So let's see how to do that. You can find a lot of different examples on the internet. These are just a couple that I have on BitDegree. Why is this useful? Because if you have something, say from your website, or a button, say from PayPal or Stripe, and you want to integrate that, this gives you that option. All right, so the easiest way to get started is to go to Grow. And then here on Grow, once I'm in my DotcomPal dashboard, I'm going to go to Landing Pages. And then I'm going to go to New Page. Keep in mind, this doesn't have to be a landing page where you use your HTML, but this is just an example. So I'm going to type in a landing page. And it's going to take a second. It's loading a lot of awesome templates that we can use to put our HTML and do other stuff. So I like the Salonetic, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. You can use any page you'd like. Go ahead and preview it on the desktop and then the mobile. And one thing I'll say for best practices is whatever HTML you've acquired, written, need to use, generally most of the time it'll be HTML from other sites, maybe your other WordPress site or another third-party thing that you want to use it there. Make sure you have it ready, preferably in Notepad or on the website, or you have that tab open. So I'm going to delete this out, and then I'm going to come to elements here. We have HTML over here. I haven't talked about this much, so I'm going to drag it over. Then it's going to say HTML code here. Now I can click edit. I can paste in different HTML stuff. We can see that here, this actually has created sort of a post. So that's pretty cool. You can do text type stuff with HTML. What if I wanted to do a little bit more? As I said, hypertext markup language. As I said, it has the head tags, the script, the head, and then it has a hyperlink text here. It's going to show this dog jumping. Why is he jumping? He's so excited. He's going to be part of DotcomPal. I can come back to the editor here, click edit, say, I don't want this text. I want a picture of the dog. And I hit save, and then boom. So you can get pictures doing this. There's a ton of different ways to get pictures. As I've shown, you can go to my drive and upload them. You can, and then bring them here. You can integrate with Pixabay, but HTML also gives you another option to get pictures in like this. There's also other things you can do, like if you have a certain processor you want to use, generally they will say get the code from them. And then you'll have to go through their methods of getting the code, typing in your information, and then generating a button. And then once you've got that code, I recommend you save it probably on Notepad or someplace that it's easily accessible. You can click edit. And I want to use this HTML so people can go ahead and buy my product. And as you can see here, what this is something I've used before. It's just a simple drop-down selector for PayPal where people can go ahead and buy stuff. And it's really, really simple to do. All I do is click edit. I paste the code in here, and then I'm good to go. And then there's a bunch of other stuff that you can start doing with HTML. It's not even limited to what I just showed you here, but those are a few examples. The biggest thing I'd recommend is have your code ready to go and know what it's going to do. Don't just come in here, copy and paste, play around with it, because the thing is, you'll want to have a pretty good idea when you hit edit here, when you either type or paste it in, what it's going to do. And you want to have a pretty good idea of what you want to use it for. Other than that, that's the basics of using HTML. After you're happy with what you have, you go ahead and click publish. And that's as simple as it is to use HTML. You can feel kind of techy. You can feel kind of cool. And the best part about it is you can use third-party things on your website or whatever it is. You've coded HTML and bring the elements onto here, along with all the awesome stuff that we offer as well. So that's pretty much it. It's a hypertext markup language, as we've shown before. And then it just consists of different tags, body, paragraph. This is what was used to build websites. You know, in the past, you'd have to go in, build the HTML, build the CSS. But now, all that's done for us. All you have to do is sometimes import the HTML from different websites. So that's how easy it is. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I know this was a quick lesson, but someone did ask about it. I believe Nate Boyd. So Nate Boyd, if you're in the audience, let me know, man. Do you have any questions if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube? Do we have any questions, guys? We just went over a really quick how-to on how to use HTML in DotcomPal. I was showing pre-written HTML. If you know how to write it, you can also write it in there, but it's super simple to use on a landing page. Does anybody have any questions on that or why you would use it? And I did a couple different examples. I did some text. I did that picture of the dog, and then I also did a payment button. So you can do all three and even more. The sky's the limit. Just wanted to show what was possible. And we have Shirag. Hello, Shirag. All right, everyone. So if you have any questions, especially Nate Boyd, about this lesson, then let me know after the presentation. You can just leave it below in the comments, either if you're watching Facebook, YouTube, and then me and my support team will answer it. So everyone, if you want the ability to use awesome HTML, as I've showed, a bunch of different features, get all those awesome landing pages, now is the time to get started with DotcomPal for free. All you have to do is go to DotcomPal.com and get started for free by clicking here. And you can come to this awesome dashboard and get your business started in no less than 3 clicks. But as you use DotcomPal, you get excited about it. You'll want to upgrade your experience. Now is the time, if you're enjoying the DotcomPal experience, to go pro. We just launched our awesome sell module, and we have the ability to help you with your products, your membership levels, and get your whole business going. Build, grow, manage, and sell in one place. And you can get unlimited websites and landing pages, plus a couple of really amazing founder specials when you go founder special lifetime deal and go pro with DotcomPal. If you haven't signed up with DotcomPal, now is the time to go to DotcomPal.com and get started for free. You can get started in 3 clicks, no credit card ask, get a $100 a month service for free. But don't just set up an account, use it to build, grow, and sell. Because we cannot grow our business if you don't grow. If you don't grow, we don't grow. DotcomPal is here to grow your business, not your bill. So at this time, I want to thank everybody in the audience, Facebook and YouTube, for watching. There is no show. There is no training without you guys. I also want to thank my awesome support team, Shirag and Manish, for doing an amazing job. And I want to thank Abanati for doing a great job with the content and the support as well. Everyone, have an awesome day. Keep learning, keep building, and I will see you soon for more lessons at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard here on digital marketing and how to grow your business with DotcomPal. My name is Kareem with Team DotcomPal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, and sell and manage in one place. Keep building, keep growing, guys, and I'll see you soon.